time for Bolivia. Let's go.
After 16 days of Brazil, we arrived to
Bolivia.
for 5 days. Ready?
Ready.
So, what are you getting today?
Meat with sausage.
But it's very tasty. So at the end, it wasn't a joke.
They look so fluffy, the toucans, no?
Where are we now?
Let's see Bolivia, the park.
What is the name?
Gubee.
Welcome in Bolivia. Today we are visiting
The Gubee
park.
park.
You
and-
can swim, animals, you can discover a great nature. It's so good.
Yeah, most important, all the animals are rescued from the nature to give them a second life here. So it's not like a zoo or something.
It's very natural. And you can see papageis, you can see toucans, you can see monkeys, you can see turtles which live 100 years.
Todo.
Everything. It's so good. What do you like more,
So
toucan
this is a
or
toucan
papageis?
here. Toucan.
You like more toucan?
They look more fluffy, that's why.
And papagayi was not that
Papagayi.
friendly?
Papagayi. No, they are both
Nice.
unique.
But this is special because we see this first time. Toucan friend? In this one they don't have gasolina.
No, not for
We
us.
continue.
跟我说懒蛋来休息。
So it's Carnival and the kids make fun to throw water bombs here inside and also soap and everything. So
开心的小红，开心的。
welcome to Bolivia.
This is the water. Ooh, protection.
How to close a window in Bolivia.
What do you do when you have a hole?
Two wires and I don't know. All those cars are waiting for petrol because it's out here.
Question. Why those cars are looking like this?
It's Carnival and the kids like to make the cars dirty so they protect it from the color.
Yeah, on the street we saw so many of those. You can have with the mud or you can have with something else. I don't remember.
Bolivia life.
It's cool. Where do we go?
We're going to the waterfalls. Yeah.
Adventure start.
across a river in Bolivia.
You have even the street there, look.
We have arrived at the waterfalls in Bolivia. Let's go swim.
So as you could see, our journey to this waterfalls was not easy. We drive car with like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people inside, or no, 7. We were 7 people in the car. I hope we have a picture. And then we needed to change, and then we were driving with 20 people in the other car. We needed to cross the Rio, like the lake. Crazy. But now we arrived, and now it's time to relax and enjoy the nature. That's the biggest fish I've got on my life. But even yours, it's bigger.